friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making cranberry sauce in an Instant Pot. Making homemade cranberry sauce is very easy. All we need is frozen cranberries and sugar. So simple. So first, let's open the Instant Pot. And in the Instant Pot, we need to put half a cup of water for pressure cooking. Now let's put a bag of frozen cranberries in the Instant Pot. And we also need to sprinkle 1 cup of sugar on top of the cranberries. So I'm going to measure out 1 cup of sugar and sprinkle on top of the cranberries. Now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 5 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. I'm going to cover the vent with a towel and let's do a quick release. Now the steam has released, so we can open the Instant Pot. So at this point, we need to finish cooking it on a sauté setting. So let's press the cancel button and then press the sauté button. And we're going to cook it on sauté for about 5 minutes. When the cranberry sauce starts boiling, we need to stir it every minute or two and continue cooking it until it thickens. Now at this point, it's been about 4 minutes, so it's starting to look more like a cranberry sauce because the water is evaporating. So keep a close eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn and continue mixing every 30 seconds or so. Now the cranberry sauce is done cooking. Look how delicious it looks. Simmering hot, fresh homemade cranberry sauce. So now let's press the cancel button to stop cooking and remove the cranberry sauce into a serving dish. Looks so good. Once you try this homemade cranberry sauce, you'll never want to have the one from the can. This cranberry sauce tastes amazing. Now let me try it. Perfect. This is so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.